Good morning, awesome squad. If you hear that, that's birds singing. The neighbors have some birds, and that's where I get the background music for when I videotape birds in my yard, or sometimes they are on their tree. And that's where I saw the squirrel, and I saw first time I saw one-necked leon. His feathers ruffled just from a fight. That's where he lost his one leg, and then moments after, on a different tree, he was fine. And then the tree was birds and stuff, and other animals. This tree here, some birds and stuff. This tree here is where I spotted one-necked leon afterwards, being fine. And I've videotaped some birds on this tree here too. So yep, that's like a simple tour there, guys. Yep, and some unknown lizards and stuff. Yeah, have a good day.